Steel crashes around you while a white mantle settles onto your shoulders for the very first time. Before you discover how you reached this sacred moment, ask yourself one question. Would you surrender everything to wear this cross? The sacred cross feels heavier than armor because every vow will change the rest of your life. Could you still step forward if you knew there was no turning back? But that glorious image suddenly fades because you are not a knight yet. Therefore, you awaken as a frightened young page, carrying buckets instead of swords while dreaming of something greater. Every chore teaches discipline. Therefore, the knights begin noticing your determination instead of your weakness. One unexpected opportunity is about to change your future forever. Because you never stop proving yourself, you are finally handed a real sword for training. The dream suddenly feels possible, but earning it will demand far more than courage. Your first training duel ends with you flat on the ground, but instead of disappointment, you discover something greater. Every legendary knight once stood exactly where you are now. What kind of warrior will you become after this first defeat? Therefore, you embrace every bruise as another lesson, and your confidence slowly begins replacing fear. The masters finally trust you with responsibilities beyond simple training. But skill alone is never enough because loyalty matters even more inside the order. Would you protect your brothers even if it meant risking your own future? Because your commitment never falters. You are chosen to become a squire serving an experienced Templar knight. Every journey beyond these fortress walls will now shape the warrior you are becoming. As the gates close behind you, the safety of childhood disappears forever. Ahead waits your first real campaign, and with it, the rank that every young Templar dreams of earning. Therefore, every mile beside your mentor becomes another lesson that no training yard could ever teach. You begin to realize that surviving a campaign depends as much on discipline as on skill. But your peaceful ride ends as scouts return with urgent warnings of an approaching enemy force. The moment you imagined for years has arrived far sooner than expected. Therefore, your mentor orders you to protect supplies instead of joining the charge. It feels disappointing, but one unexpected decision will soon prove why experience matters. Because you remain behind, you suddenly notice hidden riders moving toward the convoy from another direction. Instead of waiting for orders, you react before anyone else does. Your warning saves the convoy. Therefore, the supplies reach the battlefield just in time to keep your brothers fighting. What would you do if one small decision determined the fate of hundreds? But victory carries a heavy price because your mentor is carried back badly wounded. His next words will change the direction of your entire life. Therefore, you promise to honor everything he has taught you, even if he can no longer ride beside you. That promise becomes stronger than fear itself. Because your courage has now been witnessed by the entire order, the masters summon you before the chapter. Every heartbeat feels louder than the cathedral bells surrounding you. But becoming a knight requires more than bravery because you must willingly surrender comfort, wealth, and personal ambition. The true battle now takes place inside your own heart. Therefore, the ceremony begins, and your life as a humble squire finally comes to an end. As the sacred mantle settles across your shoulders once again, you understand that the journey you witnessed in the opening was only the beginning of a far greater path. Therefore, everyone around you greets you differently because you are no longer a student but a full Templar knight. The honor feels overwhelming, but so does the responsibility resting on your shoulders. But your celebration lasts only a moment because urgent orders arrive from the eastern frontier. Therefore, your very first mission as a knight begins before you have time to enjoy your new rank. Therefore, your company rides toward a lonely desert fortress, guarding an important pilgrimage route. Every mile reminds you that protecting strangers has become your sacred duty. But when you finally arrive, the fortress is eerily quiet instead of welcoming. Something happened here long before your company reached its gates. Therefore, you discover frightened pilgrims hiding inside the chapel after surviving a surprise attack. Could you remain calm knowing innocent lives now depend entirely on your decisions? But protecting the fortress means facing an enemy that could return before sunrise. Therefore, every knight works through the night, strengthening walls and preparing for what seems inevitable. As dawn breaks, the horizon suddenly fills with approaching riders. the quiet anticipation disappears, replaced by the unmistakable rhythm of an army closing in. Therefore, every defender moves into position as arrows begin filling the sky. The battle you once imagined during training now becomes painfully real. But amid the chaos, you notice a section of the wall beginning to collapse. If it falls completely, the fortress will not survive another charge. Therefore, you lead a desperate defense that buys enough time for reinforcements to arrive over the distant ridge. As victory finally settles across the battlefield, the Order begins seeing you as far more than a newly made knight. Therefore, your name begins spreading through the Order, and younger squires quietly study the way you carry yourself. Respect feels rewarding, but it also means every future decision will be judged more closely than ever. But recognition brings a new responsibility, because the marshal personally selects you to command a small patrol. The lives of other knights now depend on your judgment instead of someone else's. Therefore, you lead your first patrol across isolated mountain passes where every shadow could hide danger. Confidence replaces hesitation, but the silence itself begins to feel unsettling. But instead of finding enemies, you discover an abandoned village frozen in complete silence. Every empty doorway raises another question that demands an answer. Therefore, you notice fresh footprints leading away from the village toward a nearby forest. Would you follow them knowing they could lead your entire patrol into a trap? But the deeper you ride, the clearer it becomes that someone is watching every movement. Therefore, you slow the patrol, choosing caution over speed for the first time as its commander. Because you refuse to rush forward, hidden archers reveal themselves too early and lose their advantage. The trap fails before it can fully close around your patrol. Therefore, your disciplined formation forces the attackers to retreat instead of surrounding you. Victory arrives not through strength alone, but through patience and clear thinking. But when you search the abandoned camp, you uncover sealed correspondence, revealing a much larger threat beyond the frontier. The mission you believed was finished has only exposed the beginning of something greater. Therefore, the Order entrusts you with carrying this intelligence directly to the regional commander. As you ride toward the great fortress, you realize your next promotion will demand leadership over far more than a single patrol. Therefore, the regional commander studies your report in complete silence before looking directly at you. Instead of sending you home, he entrusts you with leading multiple patrols across the frontier, proving your life has entered an entirely new rank. But commanding several patrols means every choice echoes far beyond your own survival. One mistake could leave entire villages without protection. Therefore, you divide your forces carefully, placing each patrol where it can protect the greatest number of travelers. For the first time, strategy feels more important than swinging a sword. But reports soon arrive from every direction, each demanding immediate action while your soldiers are already stretched thin. Suddenly, you cannot be everywhere at once. Therefore, you choose to reinforce the weakest fortress instead of chasing every threat across the frontier. Would you trust your instincts when hundreds of lives depend on a decision no one else can make? But the enemy unexpectedly attacks exactly where you predicted, proving your decision saved the frontier from collapse. Your fellow commanders begin seeing you as a true military leader rather than simply a brave knight. Therefore, the Grand Master summons you to the Order's central stronghold, a place reserved for its most trusted leaders. Every step toward its gates carries the weight of years of sacrifice. But the Grand Master does not praise your victories first. Instead, he asks whether you still remember the frightened page who once carried buckets across a quiet courtyard. Therefore, memories rush back all at once, reminding you that every rank was earned through service before glory. The greatest leaders are those who never forget where they began. But your journey is still climbing, because the Grand Master now reveals the Order faces challenges that demand its highest officers. Beyond this chamber waits the final ascent toward the greatest rank a Templar can achieve. Therefore, you enter the council chamber, where only the highest officers of the Order are permitted to stand. The silence is more intimidating than any battlefield you have ever crossed, but the council is divided because every commander has a different vision for protecting the Order. You quickly realize that leadership is no longer about winning battles, but earning trust. Therefore, you recommend strengthening the network of castles instead of pursuing reckless victories. Your strategy favors survival, even if it demands patience. But before any decision can be finalized, urgent riders burst through the fortress gates with alarming news. A major fortress has fallen, forcing every plan to change in an instant. Therefore, you volunteer to organize the relief expedition before anyone else can speak. Could you carry the hopes of an entire order knowing failure would echo across generations? But the road to the fallen fortress is longer and harsher than anyone expected. Every passing day gives the enemy more time to strengthen its position. Therefore, you arrive before sunrise and discover survivors still holding one small tower against impossible odds. Their determination reminds you of the young page you once were. But rushing forward would sacrifice too many lives, so you choose a slower plan that catches the enemy completely by surprise. Patience becomes your greatest weapon once again. Therefore, the fortress is reclaimed through coordination instead of reckless heroics. Every knight under your command survives because discipline triumphs over pride. But as you look across the restored fortress, you realize the greatest victory was never a higher rank, but the person you became through every step of the journey. If this experience stayed with you, I hope you'll return for the next adventure, because history still holds countless lives waiting to be lived. And which one would you choose next?